everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial component for any serious audio enthusiast or professional: the Geisler 5-pack XLR 3-pin male plug and female socket set. This isn't just any set of connectors. It's designed with both durability and functionality in mind, offering a robust solution for a wide array of audio applications. Right out of the gate, one of the standout features of these Geisler connectors is their fine nickel-plated housing. This isn't just for aesthetics. The nickel plating provides excellent corrosion resistance, ensuring a long lifespan even in demanding environments. More importantly, it contributes to superior signal integrity, which is absolutely vital for maintaining pristine audio quality whether you're in a studio, on stage, or setting up a home recording space. The professional look and feel of these connectors immediately convey a sense of reliability and quality. What truly sets this pack apart is the thoughtful inclusion of optional color marking and flexible combination. Imagine a complex setup with multiple microphones, instruments, and effects units all feeding into a mixer. Being able to color code your connections can drastically simplify troubleshooting and setup times. This flexibility allows users to organize their cables efficiently, preventing confusion and ensuring that every connection is precisely where it needs to be. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in practical use, especially for those who frequently reconfigure their audio systems. These are standard 3-pin XLR connectors, which means they are universally compatible with professional audio equipment. The brand associated with these connectors is Riviera, known for delivering reliable audio accessories. While listed with a cable type AUX, it's important to understand that these XLR connectors are designed for balanced audio signals, providing a robust and interference-resistant connection. This makes them ideal for a broad spectrum of compatible devices, including microphones, mixers, amplifiers, musical instruments, and speakers. Whether you're recording vocals, miking up a drum kit, connecting a guitar to an amp, or linking your mixer to a PA system, these connectors are built to handle the job. A special feature highlighted for these connectors is Chinese letter, which translates to high speed. In the context of XLR audio connectors, this implies an exceptionally efficient and reliable signal transmission. It means minimal latency and virtually no signal degradation, ensuring that the audio signal travels from source to destination with maximum fidelity and speed. This is paramount for live performances, where timing is critical, and equally important in studio environments, where every nuance of sound needs to be captured accurately. The robust construction combined with this high-speed capability makes them a dependable choice for any audio professional or enthusiast looking for consistent, high-quality connections. This 5-pack offers excellent value, providing multiple male plugs and female sockets, giving users the versatility needed for various audio projects.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.